So God gave me a revelation. A while back, I couldn't get into my storage unit. I had switched from a smaller unit to a larger unit, and somewhere in that process, my code got canceled out, whatever. So I couldn't get into the unit. Well, I tried a random number and it worked. And during that moment, it was significant to me. Then, as I thought about it later on, God dropped something else into my spirit. This is where it gets good, okay? That's code may have worked for that moment, but at the end of the day, that code isn't for me. It's somebody else's code. It has somebody else's name on it. It belongs to a different unit. You following me? My code to my unit has my name on it. It works for me, but at the end of the day, it also has my name on the account. It goes to my storage unit. It's for me. Y'all, dating is so similar to this. You can get with somebody and it can work for a while, but at the end of the day, it's not for you. It's not who God had intended for you. It's not, it's not what has your name on it. What's yours is always going to be yours. It's what God has for you. So remember that. I don't know. I was just sitting there and it amazed me. It truly amazed me. Whereas the code worked, but at the end of the day, it's not mine. It's not mine. So no matter what it is that you're doing, always take it back to God and make sure it's yours. Some people in our lives are temporary. They're here to get us through to the next season. They're here to just be a friend. They're here to, help us in some kind of way or teach us something or whatever it may be. But there is someone out there that is specifically for you. Okay? They belong to you, you belong to them type of thing. And same thing with blessings. Like your blessing has your name on it. It's yours. Holy Spirit, I just felt the Holy Spirit inside. Your blessing belongs to you. It has your name on it. It's registered to you. It's for you. It's your code. It works for you. At the end of the day, it's yours. God bless you. I love you. Shalom. Y'all, and God put it on my spirit to come back and add this part as well. So I got lucky that day. Blessed, whatever you want to call it. Like I just randomly guessed a code and it worked. But at the end of the day, it was never intended for me. It's not how it's supposed to be, right? That's not my code. It's somebody else's. So just keep those things in mind. Always take everything back to God. Don't take something that's supposed to be temporary and make it permanent. If you're not careful, somebody could be doing different things and somehow end up with your code per se, right? That wasn't ever supposed to have it in the first place. So just take everything back to God. I love you. Shalom.